everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happening and Stampin' Camp with Mary. Today is simple stamping. Now I showed you a card with using the Calligraphy Essentials card and the gold edged card base. Today we're going to do the same card, the exact same card, but we're using the delightfully detailed note cards. These are note cards, so they're a little smaller than the regular cards. So what we're going to use is, again, we're going to use Calligraphy Essentials. We're going to use some Memento Black, and we're going to use the delightfully detailed note cards. I think they're delightfully detailed now that maybe they're called something else. Oh, I don't know. The delightful, I'm pretty sure on. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my note card down like this. Okay, and going to have the thank you right down like this. Okay, going to pick it up. And let's see here. What I'm going to do is I want it a little straighter, so I'm going to take this off. There. Straighten that up a little bit. Going to put some. Now, I really would appreciate it if you like my videos that you purchase your Stampin' Up! Products from me. All you have to do is look below and just click on any of the links. And there we go. Thank you. I love these cards because you could just stamp on them and you don't have to do anything else. Don't have to color them, nothing. Perfect. So follow me on YouTube, and again, everything you need to purchase to make this card is down below. I really appreciate it if you purchase from me. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.